All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology. Should you buy the Beats Studio Buds? Now, what are these? Well, they're true noise cancellation headphones, and Apple did buy out the Beats brand, so they are made by Apple technically. You'll definitely see right here that these buds do come in with a pretty striking design right here, and the price of these are $129.99 right now. They usually go for $149.99, but I've been seeing them discounted, and they may even get discounted further as the year goes on. They come in 3 different colors. They come in this beautiful red color as well as black and white, and you can see right there. What are you noticing so far? And I'm pretty sure you're thinking those look pretty similar to AirPods Pro, and you would be correct because the overall casing design is quite similar, and this might even be similar to what we see on the AirPods that replaced the original AirPods, the next version of the AirPods, not the AirPods Pro, but when they replaced the regular AirPods that are currently on sale today. All right, so let's take a look at this box right here. Beats Studio Buds, you can see right there, Beats branding. This is what they look like. Active noise canceling, transparency mode off to the left, active noise canceling with transparency, a powerful and balanced sound. And on the back, it will tell you these are true wireless earbuds with a USB-C charging case, because you are going to be charging this via USB-C. That's a good thing. That's becoming a universal standard. Down here at the bottom, you will get the battery life number. So essentially what this is telling you is 5 hours with ANC on, and then 10 hours with the case ANC on, for a total of 15 hours ANC on. So you can use these for up to 15 hours without actually charging the case with it on. With it off, you got a total of 24 hours. So pretty much a full day of battery. This is going to be enough for what you're probably going to use these headphones for. Now, if we go ahead and open up this box really quickly, this is not a total unboxing because I already opened it up. You'll just see inside here, great sound with a proper fit. If you open this up, they will give you a couple of small and large earbuds if they don't fit you correctly. Fast fuel right there for 5 minutes or up to 1 hour of charging, and it'll tell you that you can press play with this button right here, or you can skip the track. You can also hold it down to toggle between ANC and transparency modes. You can see right there just some more papers and stuff. So that's pretty much all that comes inside the box. Let's go ahead and show you how this connects. So just like you would expect, pull out your iPhone, you'll open up the case right here, and you'll see that the iPhone will detect the Beats Studio Buds with this beautiful animation right here, and depending on the color you have, it will detect that and show you your color that you picked up. You'll see a little light down here to indicate that you are, opening up the case here, and let it connect, and it'll tell you once you connect that I have 100% on the earbuds, and then I have 74% on the case. Again, you can quickly charge this with USB-C though, so that's pretty neat. And once you are connected, you can also hop over into Bluetooth settings to take a look at some other things right here, like noise control. You can change it to Siri over here. In addition to that, it'll tell you the model name, serial number, stuff like that. And also you can toggle here, but there's another way to toggle the modes. You can go here and you can change between the noise cancellation right there, transparency mode, or you can turn that off. And of course you can raise the volume like so. So it works incredibly well, incredibly simply with the iPhone. So I think this is going to be a better product for iPhone, although you can connect it with Android, as there is a paper in the box that will tell you that. On the front, it'll say how to connect to Android. So I don't think this is just an Apple only product, but definitely it kind of seems to be a little bit better for Apple products. Over here, you can see on the inside, it will tell you how to pair instantly with the iPhone. And then over here, you do get free Apple Music. Now, in addition to that, if you'll see right here, Beats sticker, so that's pretty cool as well. And then you'll see right here some warranty guides and stuff like that. So there's a couple extra things I didn't show case, as you've seen right there in the box. All right, so let's take a look at the inside design of this case. You can see there is some indentations to hold the buds right there, and they kind of slot in a little bit weird compared to AirPods. They have this just a little bit of a different design right there. You can see right there the bud. Overall, you can see the charging pins. It'll tell you right there on the bud which side of the bud you are on. That is the left side. And then when you open this up and you put it back in the case, you're gonna have to put this in kind of on a sideways angle like that. Instead of just like putting it down like this, you kind of snap it in on sideways. So over here, right here, you'll see again, there's a pin right there. And these also are supposed to have pretty crispy call quality as well, and class 1 Bluetooth. So very fast Bluetooth connections on here. Overall, these buds are really representing, I think, a pretty good value, especially as they get discounts. They're not going to be the top in the industry, but definitely offering an overall pretty good value. And the case definitely feels pretty solid. It's a strong level plastic here. So let's go ahead and have a listen to these buds. I'm going to go ahead and put these on. So I got the buds in my ears right now, and I could tell you right now that overall they are kind of fitting in there pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and put the selfie camera on so you could see. Right here, they are in pretty good there, and I would say they fit pretty good overall. Not bad. They feel pretty tight overall here on these buds. Now let's go ahead and have a listen to some songs here. These are some songs from the audio library from YouTube. Let me scroll over. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. All right. All right, so first thing I'm noticing right away, this was one of my songs I wanted to test for the bass. The bass is pretty heavy, it's pretty decent. It's not the best I've heard. I think the bass in the AirPods Pro are actually a bit better, but it's pretty good overall. And one thing I noticed right away as well is this actually can detect the Beats design. If you take a look closely at the volume right there, the Beats design is actually on there as well. Like when you put the AirPods Pro on, there's little icons that indicate the AirPods Pro. That's why I'm saying for Apple products, it seems like it's just going to work a bit better. Now, if we go in here and I put on noise cancellation, it's definitely a noticeable switch. However, it's not quite as powerful as the one that I seen on the AirPods Pro, but it's definitely going to be enough for you to get kind of in your own little world here in the music. So let me go ahead and play a different song here, something with a little bit more highs. Yeah. All right. Let's go. All right, now I played that song to test the level of volume on this earbuds right here, these studio buds, and I gotta tell you that it gets plenty loud. It's a little bit tinny at the highest end, meaning I don't think it's the most crispy at the high end. I probably wouldn't put it full blast on these, but if you want to, you can go ahead and do that. I just think that it could use a little bit more clarity at the high end of these headphones, but overall, I'm pretty much enjoying them. And again, you gotta remember the price on these. These aren't the best Apple's made over here. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's not as clear at the full volume, but they're still pretty good. Let me go ahead and try out. And again, I'm no audio engineer or anything like that. I'm just giving you my take as a consumer, as someone who picked these up myself, and giving you a full review. We don't need to flex over here like we know more than you might know. I'm just giving you my opinions, my take after seeing what these sound like. I'm gonna play one more song. All right, that's enough. All I need to tell you here, based on my usage with these so far, is that they're definitely going to be not the highest end headphones you've ever used, but they're also giving you a really good design. They're giving you really good features, and overall, I think definitely for the price you're going to pay at $129.99, you really can't go wrong. They're kind of in between AirPods and AirPods Pro over here, and that's not a bad thing, you know, because the AirPods initially cost like $250, and a lot of people are going to pay that for the AirPods Pro, and I think that these are a pretty good overall value. I can see Apple selling a ton of these come the holiday season as well, so definitely a very strong showing here. The Beats by Dre, the Beats Studio Buds, pretty sweet overall. I would say I like them. I don't say I'm in love with them. I don't say they're the best I've ever experienced, but I think if you haven't experienced some true wireless earbuds and you didn't want to go all out $250 for some AirPods Pro, these are a great alternative option to those if you can deal with the Beats branding. If you don't like the B and you don't like the B on the headphones and you don't really like this branding overall, it might not be for you, but I think it's pretty clean, pretty simple, and definitely has a rich history of musicians backing it as well as celebrities and stuff like that. So that might be your cup of tea. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful, entertaining, informative. I will leave a link where you can pick this up down below. It helps support the channel as well. It is my Amazon affiliate link, so consider using that if this video helped you in your decision to pick this up. Nick here. Be sure to be well. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you all in the next episode, and peace.